music though. It's perfect. Save the music.
The desert has a way of swallowing sound, of making even the loudest music seem small beneath the endless Nevada sky. As you step onto the cracked earth of the Black Rock Desert, something shifts, a quiet tension, an electric pull, like the land itself is waiting. Every year, tens of thousands arrive here seeking something undefined, and yet unmistakably powerful. This is Burning Man, a temporary city built from dust and imagination, where the ordinary dissolves and the human spirit exposes itself in ways as raw as the landscape. By day, the sun is merciless. Heat shimmers off art installations that rise like mirages, towers of metal, temples of wood, creatures forged from dreams. People move through the desert in costumes, in colors, in nothing but body paint or dust-covered skin. It's not exhibition, it's expression. Here, clothing is optional not for shock, but for symbolism. The freedom of the body mirrors the freedom of the mind, and the desert welcomes both with the same silent indifference. In this place, contextual nudity is just another language, one spoken through vulnerability, creativity, and radical authenticity. But nightfall changes everything. When the sun drops, the temperature collapses, and the Playa lights itself like a hidden universe unveiling its stars. Neon bikes flicker past. Mutant vehicles prowl the darkness, glowing like wandering spirits. Shadows stretch across the ground, and every illuminated figure becomes a moving mystery, part human, part myth. The wind picks up, carrying whispers of music from camps scattered miles apart. The dust swirls without warning, turning vision to fog and silhouettes to specters.
Are you ready to rock out with your coco?
Somewhere in the distance, a drum circle pulses like a heartbeat. Every beat feels deliberate, echoing across the playa until it vibrates in your chest. People gather around fire spinners whose flames carve patterns into the night. Painted bodies, decorated bodies, bare bodies, they all blur together into a tapestry of motion. There is no hierarchy, no judgment, no roles from the outside world. Only intention. Only presence. Only the silent pact shared by everyone who steps into this desert, to let go of who they were, if only for a moment. And yet, beneath the celebration, there is always an undercurrent of suspense, a reminder that Burning Man is built on impermanence. The structures will fall. The art will burn. The city will vanish. Everything here exists on borrowed time, and the desert never lets you forget it. As the week unfolds, the tension grows, not fear, but anticipation. The temple waits, filled with messages and memories left by strangers seeking closure. The man stands tall at the city's heart, watching, knowing what comes. When the flames finally claim him, the fire roars upward with a force that silences thousands. For a moment, every voice, every drum, every whispered hope falls still. The heat washes over the crowd, and the crackling wood becomes the only sound in the world. In its glow, you understand, Burning Man is not a festival. It's a ritual, a confrontation, a transformation. And just as suddenly as it begins, it's gone, leaving only dust, echoes, and the haunting feeling that you witnessed something you can never fully explain.